So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an Instagram video on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, so for example, I have this video right here. If you wanted to turn this into an Instagram video that's more suitable with the platform, press on the clip, go to where it says Canvas on this bottom bar right here, press on Canvas. Then where it says ratio, you'll see the two Instagram icons here. So there's an Instagram post, which is, 1:1. There's also this one right here if you wanted to make it a little bit taller, or if you wanted to make an Instagram video or a reel, you can go ahead and either use 1:1, 4:5, or 9:16. In regards to the aspect ratio, that is friendly with Instagram. So if all looks good, you can go ahead and present it this way, and this will show on Instagram perfectly. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make an Instagram video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.